Hey, what's up, budding entrepreneur? I'm Raghav here. Welcome to my Gateway review. As you can see, I'm here inside the members area of Gateway to show you what's inside exactly and clearly explain the upgrades and also get out the sales page and have a look at the claims being made. And let's see if Gateway lives up to those claims. And of course, I have put together a ton of custom-made exclusive bonuses for you if you choose to get Gateway through my link in the description down below this video. Alright, let's dive in. In a nutshell, Gateway is a great training course by Trevor Carr, Robin Palmer and Jonas Lindgren, top marketers on Warrior Plus and Zeviju. This is not a software, okay? So what they are teaching inside is not by doing review video for yourself, but to automate the process of creating reviews without recording your voice or showing your face on camera, and also how to upload it to YouTube properly to get your videos ranked on the top. This is very important. So before I go in detail, I want to ask you one thing. Why are you here? Yes, why are you here on YouTube watching this review? Because literally you wanted to see inside Gateway before making a purchase decision. That's it. What most of the buyers who's in the email list of top marketers do whenever they get a promotional email about a new product, for example, let's say if they got an email about Take It, which allows you to clone any web page on the internet, and put a pop-up on top of it to collect emails. Before they making a purchase, they want to see how it works. So what they will do is they go on to YouTube and type Take It review, then make a review purchase decision. That is where we come into play. All we have to do is to have our review video on the top rank of the YouTube. That is very important. So with Gateway, you're gonna get to know the secret sauce to rank as a boss. But remember, so many competitors will also be trying to rank for the same keyword. You may your rank may drop if someone with an authority tries to rank it. I will show you an easy way to stay on top, how to retain your rankings and to remain in the top position with my bonuses. I'm not going to use this technique on this review video you are watching right now. Okay, before I'm going any further, I'm excited to show you my bonuses. If you click on the link in the description below, you will come to this page. This is my bonus page. Here you can find everything you need to know about a Gateway. These are the upgrades that I will be explaining to you in a minute. Let me show you my bonuses first. Okay, my bonus number 1 is how to stay on top and retain your top rankings. In this bonus, you will learn how to stay on the top of the search results. As I said earlier, a little secret hack that will give you an edge over your competitors. And bonus number 2 is how to get approval for sure. Most newbies struggle with getting approval for promoting a product. This is not easy. I am also stuck with this phase in the past. Sometimes you get approved unexpectedly, sometimes you will not get approved when you are expecting to. This story ends here. Okay, with this bonus you will get approved for sure. You will get some templates you can use to get approval. Just swap your names, you will be easily get approved. Next, bonus number 2 is 0 to 124 hours by John Armstrong. This is where I got started as a complete newbie and made $50 on my first day and scaled this method to $300 per day. It still works. The course is still meaningful when it comes to launch jacking. I highly recommend to follow through this course along with the Gateway. Then my bonus number 4 is how to get thousands of views without ranking and optimizing for any video without spending a dime. There is a trick I learned from Andy Hafalek. He revealed the secret with one of his courses I have taken. I didn't believe at first, but the results were amazing because I never paid a cent to get ton of views. But my video went viral and I got a ton of views without ranking and optimizing. Then bonus number 5, you will get access to all the vendor bonuses which will be delivered inside the members area. Bonus number 1 is YouTube Supremacy, building authority YouTube channel to outrank your competition for promoting affiliate offers. Bonuses from partner, I think it's from Trevor Carr. Unannounced surprise bonuses. Apart from these bonuses, you will get access to the library of free bonuses that you can give away in your promotions. These bonuses are created by Robin Palmer himself. Now you have the license to give away with these without having to create it for yourself. Please remember, these bonuses are exclusive to me. You won't be able to find it from anyone else. I'm guessing that most people will give away only these vendor bonuses, but I'm trying to go above and beyond everyone right here to give you the best experience possible at the Gateway. To claim all of these bonuses 100% free of charge, just click on any of the buttons on my bonus page. I will be taken to the sales page of Gateway. Once you are there, go ahead and purchase. Once you are successfully done, your receipt page will look similar to this. Just click on the blue button to claim all of your bonuses. Now let's have a look at the sales page of Gateway. Are you ready to tap into this 1.8 billion traffic source? Yeah, you guessed it, they are referring it to YouTube. Revealed how they unlocked the free traffic gateway for easy $100 to $300 paydays, and how you can do the same without experience or without showing your face on camera. For me, it's $50 paydays at first when I started launch jacking with back in 2018. Later, I have scaled this method to $300 per day. This can scale this method even to $500 per day. So this is not an exaggeration. Also, anyone can do this without experience, without showing your face on camera. Are you seeing my face? No, I don't even have a webcam. Click play the sales video. Go and watch it if you have time. The steps involved, the sales page looks pretty legit, no fake claims. The guys begin Gateway, of course they are experts in the field. The proof, these are the results of consistent effort. See here, around $2,000 from a single campaign using YouTube. The above one is around 3K, which might be from paid traffic, I guess. Using tracking, we can use different sales, where the sales come from. See, this one have no sales, but this one is from Gateway method. I'm sure this is from YouTube, which is 100% free and 100% pure profit. Kindly check out the sales page in your own time by clicking on the link in the description down below this video. Now let's get into the members area. Here we are, the part you have been waiting for. So as usual, the welcome video, the main training by Robin Pomal. He will go in detail on how to properly set up your YouTube channel, like proper keyword setting, easy channel art, the exact review formula. This is very good. Easy YouTube descriptions. YouTube also considers your description for ranking. Free fast thumbnail creation, how to upload your videos properly, and a free bonus builder software, lifetime access. But I recommend Commission Codera. It is very easy to use. It also has a trial. The next section is the secret sauce to rank as a boss. This is what you pay for. The very important part of the whole training, how to rank your videos the right way. Forget what you have learned before. A complete new and white hat method that not only ranks your videos, also increases your channel authority, as it is a white hat method. Next one, how to make sure you rank at the top. This is very important. Then the no face, no voice, no recording hack, but pump out your videos, so you won't get out of the track again. Here is the done for you review videos you can download and edit with an intro and outro, then upload it to YouTube. The 5-minute hack for camera shy people. This hack will take you around 5 to 10 minutes, I guess, and does not require you to record your voice or show your face on camera. In this section, Jonas teaches how to build a high quality email list with videos you are uploading. The case studies, Robin shows his earnings using the above mentioned method, the no face, no voice, automated video recordings and ranking them. The resources section, you will come across all the resources mentioned in the training inside. So the upgrades that I will be explaining to you in seconds. So the content inside the members area is fresh and new, updated for 2020. That is all the demo. Now you got a clear idea about what Gateway training is about. Now let me go through the pricing and upgrades. So the front end version of Gateway cost you around $10. You will get all of my bonuses free with this. This is a no-brainer deal. Also a good investment in my opinion. Regarding the upgrades, there are 3. These are completely optional, but I do recommend one of these. Also, they all have a downsell price, so you can get these upgrades at a low one-time price. Okay, the first upgrade is Gateway 10x faster, is recommended by me. Why I am recommending this is because there are so many people buying the front-end version. If you get this one, it will give you an edge over your competition. Also, you can achieve your desired results faster. To get this upgrades for a price of $27, all you have to do is to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you are offered with this upgrade, click on no thanks. You will be offered with $10 discount, but this is completely optional and up to you and your budget. Upgrade number 2 is done for you buyer traffic. This will allow you to put your links inside their members area, which is perfect for building your email list or sending traffic to your affiliate offers. I don't recommend it because the list building strategy by Jonas inside the training is really good. If you still want this, go and get it for the downsell price. The next upgrade, you will get license rights to sell Gateway as your own product and keep 100% profits. If you are still here, click on the link in the description down below and check this out. Don't hesitate to email me at ragavavrajs@gmail.com. I will be very happy to help you. If you like my way of explanation, give this video a thumbs up. Ask your queries in comments. I will be I will respond to you personally. Be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out my future reviews and bonuses. That is all from me. This is Raghav signing off. Take care, take action.